Good morning, all. Ira Epstein, and here we are with your morning flash update for Tuesday, and we are at the 27th of January, 2026, and the time right now about 8:10 a.m. Central Time. Well, as you can see, the metal markets are lower, but they've come off their morning lows. I mean, these were down dramatically actually last night, and they have spent the whole day trying to come back off these lows. Copper, though, is still staying down fairly hard. You've come 100 points off the low in the platinum. This market was down to 25.52. So you must understand it was down $325. The silver market was down at the low point about $13 an ounce. So these are big breaks. And again, as the market's reaching up in this, what I want to call extended move, a move that is going to come around eventually and create big drops like this, and it's happening now, you've got to adjust your trading to it. All right, buying rallies, very dangerous. Even breaks can get extended. You just got to remember where you're at in the marketplace. You're $111, $5,066, and $2,650 right now in the platinum. In the dollar, down another 40 points. So as I've been telling my clients, I wouldn't be surprised if the market's got a 95 number trying to get to it. And we're getting there quicker than even I thought. Most foreign currencies up against it. In the grain markets, I'd be keeping my eyes on this complex. It still looks to me like it wants to rally a bit. On the energy, one of the things I was saying this morning is you've got to be very, very careful as our ships are now approaching Iran, the armada that the president is putting together, and the Houthis and other groups out of Iraq are saying they are joining Iran and they will attack these ships. What happens to oil through the Strait of Hormuz? How does it get disrupted? So keep your eye on that. As for the natural gas, in my opinion, this market will tell you the break is coming, which it's now doing slowly before the weather itself breaks. So pay attention to that. In news today, what we have going on is the Red Book retail sales. This is a big jump. I was looking for about 5.5%, 6%. You got 7.1 and 6.1% on a basis. Those are good numbers. When we take a look at the Case-Shiller homes, well, we didn't get a drop on the month over month, and I was looking for that. The prior month was down 0.3. You didn't get that this time. You were up 1.4% from the year ago month. The Richmond Fed will update their manufacturing sector index at 9 this morning. The Conference Board will update their U.S. Consumer Confidence Index at 9, and the API numbers will come out at 3:30. President Trump is threatening South Korea, saying that they have not lived up to their deal, and he's threatening to take their tariffs from 15 to 25%. He didn't give a date, but he's letting them know what it is. They have a rough time meeting obligations there, as they have a parliament procedure that does delay things quite a bit, but we'll see what they do. Now he's given them the warning, and he will hit them with those tariffs if they don't live up to it. He can't afford not to. So this will not be one of the taco groups, as I call it, like he's done on others. Europe and India. So the European zone, EU, has agreed with India to a trade deal. It'll take about 7 years, but it's going to dramatically reduce tariffs between the two, and that's probably a good thing. India is about to invest $100 billion on trying to get themselves more oil. So these are things you watch as well. I'm Ira Epstein. I want you to have yourselves a good trading day. Don't go out there if you're not dressed for it. It's still very, very cold against our swaths of the U.S. And I will catch up with you all later. I myself have been plowing this morning, so you have a good day.